It will take centuries to terraform Mars. Mars is a gigantic planet, roughly on the order of half the size of the planet Earth.
For years, scientists have been tirelessly exploring the red planet in search of clues to unlock the mysteries of our neighboring world. And now a shocking revelation has emerged that could rewrite the history books and reshape our understanding of the universe as we know it. How will this revelation impact our future endeavors to explore and colonize other planets? And perhaps most importantly, what does this mean for the future of humanity? Join us as we unravel NASA's Mars rover just made a terrifying new discovery that changes everything. The Perseverance rover. The Perseverance rover, NASA's latest marvel of engineering, embarks on a thrilling journey across the Martian terrain, brimming with anticipation and excitement. As it navigates the rugged landscape, the Ingenuity helicopter, a technological marvel in its own right, takes flight for the 26th time, gracefully soaring through the thin Martian atmosphere. Before venturing on its quest for knowledge, Perseverance carefully conducts a series of self-checks, ensuring that its complicated arrangement of instruments and systems is operating flawlessly. With its state-of-the-art drill, the rover carefully penetrates the surface of a peculiar rock formation named SID, poised to unlock the secrets hidden within its ancient layers. These revelations hold the potential to revolutionize our understanding of Mars and pave the way for future interplanetary exploration. Central to the mission's objectives is the investigation of a dried-up river delta nestled along the rugged terrain of the Jezero crater's western rim. This mysterious territory, hidden in mystery, beckons Perseverance to unravel its secrets and unlock the mysteries of Mars's distant past. As the rover delves deeper into the delta's sedimentary layers, each discovery offers tantalizing glimpses into the planet's troubled geological history. Despite encountering obstacles in the collection of rock samples, the mission continued, employing innovative techniques to overcome challenges and achieve its scientific goals. With each carefully assembled sample, Perseverance provides scientists on Earth with invaluable insights into Mars's past climate, geology, and potential for harboring signs of past infectious life. Powered by advanced autonomous navigation systems, Perseverance embarks on a record-breaking journey, traversing a staggering distance of 4.1 miles as it hurtles towards the delta for its next scientific endeavor. Meanwhile, on Earth, the scientific community eagerly awaits the rover's findings, poised to unravel the mysteries of Mars's ancient past. Amidst the rover's expedition, it captures breathtaking images of a rare Martian solar eclipse, offering a glimpse into the terrestrial dance between the red planet and its largest moon, Phobos. Additionally, on Sol 401, the mission stumbles upon an unexpected artifact, a fragment of the parachute utilized during the rover's dramatic descent to the Martian surface. This accidental discovery adds an intriguing layer of intrigue to the mission, fueling speculation and igniting imaginations as to its origins and significance. As the rover ventures further into the enigmatic Martian landscape, it unveils a series of discoveries that leave scientists on the edge of their seats. Armed with state-of-the-art instruments, the rover captures breathtaking videos and images showcasing geological wonders like the Kodiak, each revealing complicated details that deepen the mystery hiding the mission. Drawing closer to the delta, geologists eagerly anticipate the examination of the boundary between the delta rocks and the crater floor rocks, a crucial milestone in the quest to unravel Mars's secrets. The insights gained thus far hold the potential to revolutionize our understanding of interplanetary exploration and unlock new frontiers of knowledge about the red planet. On SOL 411, a momentous discovery takes place as the rover stumbles upon a mysterious shiny object dubbed bright material below a rock in Hogwallow Flats. The scientific community eagerly awaits further examination, hopeful that it will yield fresh insights into the Martian landscape. Meanwhile, the Ingenuity helicopter captures vibrant images of the parachute encountered by the river and fragments of spacecraft wreckage, providing invaluable data for future missions. During its 27th flight, Ingenuity embarks on a reconnaissance mission over Fortune Ridge, complementing the geological data collected by Perseverance. The combined collaboration between these two machines continues to yield groundbreaking discoveries, expanding our understanding of Mars and laying the groundwork for future exploration endeavors. However, trouble arises after its 27th flight, as it begins experiencing a gradual loss of communication with the Perseverance rover due to diminished power caused by Martian dust and low temperatures. The helicopter's reliance on solar-charged batteries becomes hindered by the dust accumulation, posing challenges for recharging, especially during the Martian night. Nevertheless, the mission team remains undeterred, actively working on solutions such as adapting Ingenuity's heater management strategies to conserve battery power. In a heartfelt gesture, Adrian Brown, deputy program scientist at NASA, pens a letter from the perspective of Perseverance rover to Ingenuity, reflecting on their partnership in the moments shared on the Martian surface, unveiling Martian mysteries. In a breathtaking moment of discovery, NASA's Curiosity rover captured a stunning sight above the rugged Martian terrain, a brilliant white glow illuminating the sky. Amidst the barren landscape and looming hills of Mars, Curiosity's navcam diligently surveyed its surroundings, capturing images to transmit back to Earth. Yet on this particular occasion, the rover's routine observation yielded an unexpected irregularity that left NASA officials intrigued and eager to investigate further. The unusual sight immediately grabbed the attention of NASA officials, sparking speculation about its origin. Could it be evidence of life on Mars, as some had long theorized? If so, it would validate the claims of conspiracy theorists who believe in the existence of aliens inhabiting the red planet. As the news of Curiosity's discovery spread, it reignited interest in the long-standing question of whether Mars could support life, past or present. For decades, scientists have questioned the planet's harsh environment, searching for signs of habitability and potential habitats for microbial life. The sighting of the Shining reignited hopes of uncovering answers to some of humanity's most profound questions about the cosmos. Equipped with an impressive arsenal of scientific instruments, Curiosity is more than just a rover. It's a cutting-edge laboratory on wheels. With its 17 cameras strategically positioned throughout its mechanical body, Curiosity provides NASA scientists with unparalleled views of Mars's diverse terrain, offering insights into the planet's geology, climate, and history. With each new discovery, Curiosity pushes the boundaries of exploration, expanding our understanding of Mars and paving the way for future missions to the red planet. As NASA scientists continue to analyze the data and images transmitted by the rover, the tantalizing prospect of unraveling the mysteries of Mars grows ever closer, bringing humanity one step closer to unlocking the secrets of our neighboring world. The photo captured by Curiosity's right navcom on June 19, 2019, at approximately 3:53 and 59 seconds UTC, reveals a mesmerizing scene on the Martian landscape. Acting as the rover's eyes, the two navcams mounted on Curiosity's mast provide invaluable visual data for NASA scientists. However, on this occasion, only the right navcam captured the image containing the mysterious white light. Meanwhile, the left navcom opted to take a selfie, giving its NASA creators a glimpse of its surroundings on Mars. As the photo was examined carefully by the NASA team, the appearance of the white light sparked interest. Initially, it appeared as though the light swiftly floated across the Martian hills, leaving onlookers puzzled. Upon closer examination, the irregularity baffled NASA scientists, as other cameras situated behind Curiosity's failed to capture the elusive light. This baffling discovery prompted NASA to consult Justin Mackey, the leader responsible for building Curiosity's cameras, in search of answers that could potentially revolutionize Mars exploration and validate the claims made by conspiracy theorists. With reduced breath, the NASA team awaited Justin's assessment, hoping for clarity regarding the mysterious phenomenon. Justin explained that similar bright spots captured by Curiosity's cameras are often attributed to sunlight reflecting off rocky surfaces. While the notion of alien activity on Mars may capture the imagination, the scientific consensus rests on more intelligent explanations for such occurrences. It was eventually determined that the intriguing bright light observed on Mars likely resulted from one of two phenomena: either sunlight reflecting off the surface of a rock or the impact of extraterrestrial flash. extraterrestrial flash composed of charged atomic particles race through space at incredible speeds, originating from distant corners of the universe, such as faraway galaxies or even our own Milky Way. When these energetic particles collide with objects on a planet's surface, such as cameras or even the human eye, they can produce sudden bursts of light related to an optical vision. Unlike on Earth, where our planet's robust magnetic field acts as a protective shield, deflecting the majority of cosmic rays away from our atmosphere, Mars lacks such a formidable defense. With its thinner atmosphere and weaker magnetic field, the red planet is more vulnerable to the penetrating influence of cosmic rays, making occurrences of light flashes more frequent. Delving deeper into the investigation, scientists uncovered additional evidence supporting the extraterrestrial flash hypothesis. Examination of older photos sent back by Curiosity revealed occasional instances of similar bright lights appearing in the past, further bolstering the notion that extraterrestrial light is a likely explanation for these phenomena. Furthermore, the revelations were not confined to Mars alone. During their historic missions to the Moon, some Apollo astronauts reported witnessing peculiar flashes of light when their spacecraft cabins were hidden in darkness, offering additional confirmation of extraterrestrial light-induced optical illusions in space environments. These findings underscore the delicate interplay of heavenly forces at play on the planet and provide valuable insights into the natural phenomena occurring on Mars and beyond. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of our universe, the role of heavenly light in shaping planetary environments remains a fascinating area of exploration and discovery. Perseverance's exciting journey. Perseverance faced a significant challenge on SOL 362 when a rock became lodged inside one of its wheels, likely picked up during a cross-slope drive across the Martian terrain. Although this incident posed no immediate danger to the mission, it served as a reminder of the inherent risks and uncertainties involved in exploring extraterrestrial environments. Despite encountering such obstacles, both Perseverance and its companion, Ingenuity, continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of Mars through their resilience and groundbreaking innovations. These extraordinary machines possess the necessary attributes to thrive in Mars's unforgiving weather conditions and rugged terrain. Perseverance represents a significant evolution from its predecessor, the Curiosity rover, sharing core design elements such as its body plan, landing system, cruise stage, and power system. However, Perseverance incorporates several notable enhancements, particularly in its wheel design. Engineers prioritize durability, addressing the issues encountered by Curiosity's wheels during its mission. Perseverance's wheels are now constructed from thicker, more resilient aluminum, measuring 52.5 centimeters in diameter, and featuring robust cleats for enhanced traction, ensuring the rover's ability to traverse challenging Martian landscapes with ease. Additionally, Perseverance is equipped with state-of-the-art scientific instruments, including the SuperCam, Pixel, and Moxie, which allow for detailed analysis of Martian rocks and soil, as well as the production of oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. Furthermore, the rover carries the Mars helicopter, Ingenuity, which has successfully demonstrated powered flight on another planet for the first time in history, paving the way for future aerial exploration missions. Through their combined efforts, Perseverance and Ingenuity are poised to revolutionize our understanding of Mars, uncovering new insights into the planet's geology, climate, and potential habitability. As these robotic pioneers continue to explore the red planet, they inspire wonder and excitement among scientists and enthusiasts worldwide, propelling humanity further into the home of space exploration. Perseverance is equipped with a range of impressive features that make it well-suited for exploring Mars's challenging terrain. One standout component is its heat shield, which is crafted from a special material called non-alcoholic impregnated carbon consumption. This material can withstand incredibly high temperatures of up to 1,320 degrees Celsius, ensuring the rover's safe descent through the Martian atmosphere. Another essential part of Perseverance is its robotic arm, a modified version of the one used on the Curiosity rover. This arm has been extended and reinforced, measuring 2.1 meters in length and housing an advanced mechanism for drilling into rocks and collecting samples. These samples are stored in sterile tubes, laying the groundwork for potential future missions to return them to Earth for further analysis. The addition of larger instruments and a new sampling system has increased Perseverance's weight to 1025 kilograms, a 14% increase from Curiosity. To power this sophisticated rover, NASA has installed a multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator MMRTG, weighing 45 kilograms and fueled by plutonium-238 oxide. This generator, in conjunction with lithium-ion batteries, ensures that Perseverance remains operational even in challenging conditions, such as nighttime, dust storms, and Martian winters. Perseverance's onboard computer relies on a robust system called the BAE Systems RAD750 radiation-hardened single-board computer, which is based on a ruggedized PowerPC G3 microprocessor. The rover's communication system includes 3 antennas, with the primary UHF antenna capable of transmitting data at a maximum rate of 2 megabits per second. The suite of instruments aboard Perseverance was carefully selected from nearly 60 proposals and includes groundbreaking tools such as the Mars Oxygen ISRU experiment, planetary instrument for X-ray biochemistry, and radar imager for Mars's subsurface experiment. Additionally, Perseverance is equipped with cameras and microphones, marking the first time audio recordings have been made on Mars, providing valuable engineering support during rover activities. In a remarkable display of engineering ingenuity, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter has overcome the challenges of the Martian atmosphere to achieve the historic milestone of powered flight on the Red Planet, opening up new possibilities for aerial exploration. Ingenuity, the Mars helicopter, weighs just under 1.8 kilograms on Earth and a mere 0.68 kilograms on the Red Planet. Its design features carbon fiber rotors spanning nearly 4 feet and a small solar panel for power. The unique challenges posed by Martian conditions, including lower gravity and a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, required Ingenuity's engineers to carefully consider its design. The helicopter's coordinated counter-rotating rotors, each with a diameter of 1.21 meters, are supported by 4 landing legs and a solar array for recharging its batteries. To generate enough lift in the thin Martian atmosphere, Ingenuity's rotors spin at an astonishing speed of between 2,400 and 2,900 revolutions per minute, roughly 10 times faster than helicopters on Earth. Recent updates have focused on enhancing hazard avoidance during landing and improving its ability to navigate uneven terrain, ensuring the success of its groundbreaking missions on Mars. Unraveling the mysteries of Mars. Mars, also referred to as Earth's twin, due to its similarities and proximity to our planet, has captivated human interest for centuries. Scientific investigations into Mars date back to the 19th century, as researchers have sought evidence of life on the enigmatic red planet. At the forefront of these exploration efforts is NASA, which has tirelessly pursued new information about Mars over the years. NASA scientists have made startling discoveries about Mars, ranging from its lethal radiation levels to the occurrence of Mars quakes. These findings raise concerns about the potential challenges of human colonization on Mars and hint at the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The presence of methane in Mars's atmosphere is a crucial factor in discussions about the planet's potential for supporting life. Over the years, NASA has detected periodic spikes of methane in Mars's atmosphere. Elon Musk's ventures on the planet have also confirmed these releases of methane gas. While methane is chemically unstable in Mars's current oxidizing atmosphere, it exists in trace amounts. Despite its short lifespan, due to interactions with ultraviolet radiation and other gases, the continuous presence of methane raises questions about potential sources that refill the gas. Scientists speculate that these sources could be linked to infectious life or geological phenomena such as volcanic activity. This discovery reignites the possibility of discovering infectious life on Mars and offers hope for finding remnants of ancient life forms. However, it also prompts further investigation into non-biological processes that could contribute to methane spikes. Future missions to Mars, including proposed sample return missions, will play a crucial role in unraveling this mystery. By collecting unpolluted samples from Mars and conducting detailed analysis on Earth, scientists aim to provide insights into the origin and significance of methane spikes, shedding light on the potential for life beyond Earth. Despite its similarities to Earth, Mars differs significantly due to its thin atmosphere and lack of a strong magnetic field. Through NASA's investigations, we have uncovered signs of high radiation levels on the planet's surface. These radiation levels raise serious concerns about the planet's suitability for human habitation. By utilizing rovers and landers, NASA has measured Mars's radiation levels, revealing their dangerous nature. The data obtained indicate that the radiation levels are so high that they would be unsafe for humans to inhabit. This poses significant health risks for future human exploration endeavors on the planet. Dating back to 1965, NASA's observations from the Mariner 4 probe confirmed Mars's exposure to harmful cosmic and solar radiation. These observations, coupled with subsequent studies, have revealed that Mars lacks a protective global magnetic field. Consequently, the solar wind has likely stripped away much of Mars's atmosphere over billions of years, leaving the planet vulnerable to deadly doses of solar radiation. Based on data collected from Mars exploration missions, scientists estimate that deadly doses of cosmic radiation would render the surface uninhabitable for any form of life within the first few meters. Additionally, the cumulative damage caused by cosmic radiation to DNA and RNA would restrict the retrieval of viable dormant cells from depths greater than 7.5 meters below the surface. This poses a significant challenge, as even the most radiation-tolerant bacteria would only survive in a dormant nucleus state for a limited period, especially at the surface. Moreover, in September 2017, NASA made a significant announcement to the scientific community regarding Mars. They revealed that radiation levels on the planet's surface had unexpectedly doubled temporarily. This increase in radiation was linked to a sunrise which was 25 times brighter than any previously observed. The surge in radiation was triggered by a major solar storm that occurred in the middle of the month. Additionally, laboratory research conducted on Mars's ultraviolet UV radiation showed a significant impact on cellular health. Cells exposed to UV irradiation experienced a 10.8-fold increase in cell death compared to those not exposed to UV radiation. These findings highlight the limitations of our current understanding of Mars's habitability. Despite these challenges, scientists remain determined and continue their investigations to overcome these obstacles. Mars's soil is found to be laden with toxic compounds, including perchlorates. Perchlorates are highly reactive chemicals that pose a threat to most living organisms, including humans. The presence of perchlorates presents a significant setback to current human colonization efforts on Mars. Moreover, these chemicals hinder the growth of crops, which is crucial for sustaining human life on the planet. Methane Vanishing Act. Through repeated observations of the planet's atmosphere, scientists have noted fluctuations in methane levels. Yet there is no clear explanation for this phenomenon. The intrigue deepened when the European Space Agency dispatched a probe to Mars called the ExoMars Trace Gas Sphere to investigate the gases present on the planet. Equipped with advanced technology known as NOMAD, the sphere was designed to detect methane and other gases using various methods. Initial results from the orbiter surprised researchers, as they indicated a complete absence of methane in the Martian atmosphere. Reluctant to accept these findings outright, scientists conducted extensive data analysis. However, their efforts yielded no methane detection. After further investigation, scientists eventually detected low levels of methane in the atmosphere, with the gas not exceeding 0.06 parts per billion when measured by volume. To put this into perspective, it's like having 60 liters of methane in a cube that's a kilometer on each side. Interestingly, the Curiosity rover, stationed on the Martian surface, had previously detected methane at moderate levels during one observation and then at another instance. This inconsistency in methane detection between the orbiter and the rover adds to the mystery surrounding methane on Mars, leaving scientists eager to unravel the secrets of its vanishing act. The discovery of the Phobos monolith, a huge rock found on the Martian moon Phobos, adds to the ever-growing list of surprises unearthed during NASA's exploration of Mars. Phobos, named after the Greek god of fear and panic, is one of the two natural moons circling Mars, discovered back in 1877 alongside its twin, Deimos. Standing at an impressive 85 meters across and 90 meters tall, The Phobos monolith is a towering geological feature that captures attention. While monoliths are commonly found on Earth, scientists speculate that this particular one may have been formed by impact ejecta, a result of a terrestrial collision. The Phobos monolith casts a significant shadow on the Martian moon, a bright landmark visible against the desolate landscape. Extensive surveys of Martian probe imagery initially revealed its existence, later confirmed by imaging subcontractor Ian Fleming at NASA's Johnson Space Center. Despite this discovery, much about the Phobos monolith remains hidden in mystery, presenting an enticing enigma for scientific exploration. Plans for the Prime mission, sponsored by Optech and the Mars Institute, aim to shed light on this intriguing structure. This robotic mission, short for Phobos Reconnaissance and International Mars Exploration, will deploy an orbiter and lander, each equipped with 4 instruments to study various aspects of Phobos. Through this mission, scientists hope to uncover the secrets of Phobos' history and composition, turning this fascinating stone into a chapter of Martian exploration. Focusing on the red planet itself, where a surprising revelation awaits. Mars, much like Earth, experiences its own version of shocking events, known as Mars quakes. The journey to uncover these quakes began with NASA's Viking mission in 1976, but it wasn't until the InSight mission of 2019 that we confirmed their existence. Since then, the InSight lander has detected over 1,300 Marsquakes, with the most powerful reaching a staggering magnitude of 5, shaking the Martian surface on May 4, 2020. Prior to this, the largest recorded quake, a magnitude 4.2, occurred on August 25, 2021. Despite Mars lacking historic significance like Earth, these quakes persist, leaving scientists pondering their origins. Researchers hypothesize that Mars quakes stem from the planet's cooling process, coupled with the cracking of its exterior or impacts from falling stars. Some suggest that the movement deep beneath the Martian surface could also trigger these earth-shaking events. Indeed, the presence of Mars quakes highlights the dynamic nature of the Martian landscape, signaling both geological and volcanic activity. Another fascinating aspect of Mars is recurring slope-linear RSL and briny water. These intriguing phenomena occur during the warmest months on Mars, manifesting as salty water flows along sharp slopes, leaving behind dark markings. Known as RSL, these seasonal flows offer a glimpse into Mars's potential habitability, showcasing its ever-changing landscape. As RSL gradually emerges during warmer seasons and fades away in the cold, it adds to the mystery of Martian geology. Each flow shows the dynamic nature of Mars, invites further exploration into its delicate terrain and potential for sustaining life. A quest for UFO traces. For years, scientists have been deeply engrossed in studying a recurring slope line using the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter MRO, a versatile spacecraft launched in 2005. Equipped with a powerful high-resolution camera, the MRO has provided invaluable data to researchers. From this data, scientists suspect that the liquid blackish water near the surface of Mars may be the driving force behind this intriguing activity. This hypothesis gains support from the presence of salt deposits in various regions of Mars, suggesting that blackish water was once abundant in the planet's history. Another proposed explanation revolves around the interactions between sulfate and chlorine salts, which could lead to landslides. One particularly popular hypothesis suggests that these recurring slope lines, RSL, are formed as a result of rapid heating of night ice, aligning with experimental findings. Moreover, experiments have revealed that the extreme ionic strength caused by ions on Mars makes these environments uninhabitable, despite the presence of biologically available water. While liquid seems to be the most reasonable explanation, the exact source of water and the mechanisms driving its movement remain difficult to crack down. Researchers eagerly await further developments in the quest to unravel these mysteries in the days to come. Furthermore, evidence suggests that Mars has been shaped by tragic events of the past, long before humanity's discovery and exploration of the planet. These events have dramatically altered Mars's geographical and geological features, leaving behind a legacy of remarkable transformations. One intriguing revelation from NASA's Mars exploration missions is that the planet once endured catastrophic river flooding. Evidence strongly indicates that these floods are responsible for shaping Mars's extensive but now dry network of valleys, deep holes, and valleys. It's remarkable to consider that Mars had a vastly different appearance in the past compared to its present state. Around 4 billion years ago, Mars boasted streams, ponds, lakes, and perhaps even seas and oceans. During this era, a significant portion of Mars, approximately 50%, was covered by a large river system. Additionally, Mars harbored large crater lakes capable of holding volumes of water relating to small oceans. Their investigations revealed that prolonged flooding events caused vast quantities of water, along with remains, to overflow from the planet's massive hole. This catastrophic flooding had a profound impact, swiftly reshaping Mars's landscape and geological features in just a matter of days. Remarkably, data from NASA indicates that the floods eroded enough grounds to fill Lake Superior and Lake Ontario. However, these huge floods were not the only disastrous events that Mars endured. Another remarkable discovery emerged from NASA's Curiosity rover mission, capturing the attention of the global scientific community. At some point in Mars's history, the planet experienced a catastrophic collision with an object approximately the size of Pluto. This monumental event significantly altered the state of the planet, leaving lasting marks on its surface and igniting new avenues of scientific inquiry. The findings from Mars exploration missions not only shed light on the planet's past, but also offer valuable insights into Earth's own geological evolution and the potential for life beyond our home planet. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of Mars, they pave the way for future exploration and the quest to understand our place in the universe. Researchers believe that this event might have caused Mars to lose its early atmosphere. This recent discovery has reignited scientists' interest in studying how the Martian climate changed over time. Hopefully, the answers they find will help make Mars more suitable for human exploration in the future. When it comes to searching for extraterrestrial life, space stories are incomplete without mentioning it. Several pieces of evidence found on Earth hint at the possibility of aliens existing elsewhere in the universe. Although these extraterrestrial beings have remained hidden for centuries, many UFO enthusiasts believe they are out there in space. This belief is likely true considering we have yet to discover them. Yet NASA provided an opposing explanation when the Mars Global Surveyor craft captured a newer, clearer picture of the same area. The updated high-resolution image revealed that it was actually a less defined formation on the planet rather than a human face. Nevertheless, UFO enthusiasts remain undiscouraged, as many other pieces of evidence suggest the presence of alien life on Mars. Despite these discoveries, there is still much we don't know about Mars, as our exploration missions have only scratched the surface. Which one of these NASA's Mars rover just made a terrifying new discovery that changes everything do you find interesting? Share your thoughts in comments below.